Good morning, children. I'm your teacher, Mamta Madam. And today in SST, we will do value-based question of chapter 2. Okay. So please open page number 16 and 17. Today we will complete value-based, something to do and something to know. Okay. So please open page number 16. Children, now I am going to read you the value-based story. It's a short story, and after that we will give the answer relating to the question. Okay? So I am reading it. Please listen to me carefully. Raju was not able to walk or talk. He joined a special school where his mother carried him on her back. His teacher, Bridge Sir, taught him to read and write. It was very difficult to him, but his classmates, his physiotherapist, Devi ma'am, encouraged and helped him to do physical exercises to strengthen his hand and leg muscles. Love, care, and patience have changed Raju's life. He can move around the school on his wheelchair now. Okay, now here is a short story of Raju, who was a disabled child. He was a special child. Okay, and his mother, she has admitted Raju to a special school, and every day she carried him on her back. But all the teachers, including Raju's classmates, they helped Raju to cooperate with other children. They showed their love, sympathy and care, and Devi ma'am and her teacher Bridge Sir also taught him how to read and write, and Devi ma'am was his physiotherapist. Okay, so the first question is that what special feature does Raju need in the school? I have written the answer. You see it on the screen. Special feature that Raju needs in the school are as follows. He should be provided with schoolwork. Second, reading, writing, number work or understanding information. Third, making friends or interacting with adults. Means Raju can be given more facilities in the school in the way that he can be given extra work, okay, more extra school work. He should be made to interact with other children in the school, okay, and he should be given the work of reading, writing, number work and how to understand the informations. Okay, the second question is, how can Raju's classmate help him? So you can write the answer that Raju's classmates can help him by giving love, care and sympathy. The third question is, suppose you are a friend of a hearing impaired child, how would you help him or her to overcome the difficulties that he or she might face in the school? So the answer will be, I would first suggest him or her to buy a hearing aid and would always show love, care and patience to her. Okay, now come to page number 17. The question is something to do. Now the first question is, most sighted people believe that blind people need a lot of help. By answering the following questions, you will understand that blind people can lead a normal life. Now we have to give one reason in support of each answer. So here the blanks are given. We have to write yes or no. Can a blind person walk without support? The answer will be yes. Can a blind person talk? Yes. Can he or she listen properly? Yes. Can he, she read with the help of a special script, braille? Yes. Can he or she write? Yes. Okay. Now, question number G. Here, 3 points we have to write. List 3 important points that you will keep in mind if you take a blind person to a market. So if you suppose if you're going with a blind person, you're going with him to a market. So what 3 special features you will keep in your mind? Okay, so I have written 3 special features. You see it on the screen. They are always needed to be guided. whenever we take a blind person, we should always guide them step by step. Okay. Second point is, make sure the blind person stays a step behind. Okay. Whenever you take a blind person, you must keep in mind that he is little behind of you. Okay. And the third is, keywords should be discussed in advance. Suppose you are taking a blind person to a market, first you have to discuss with him that where you are going. Either you are going to buy vegetables, you are going to a marketplace, or you are going to a mall, or you are going to watch a movie, or you are going somewhere else for shopping. So you have to discuss all the things before. Okay. In this you can help the blind person. Now, the last is here, question number 2. Visit a blind school, a school for hearing and speech impaired children, or an old age home. Watch carefully. How will the visit sensitize you to their needs? Now, sometimes if you get time, you can go and visit the hearing and special schools. And after that, you come, you see and you feel what you have felt there. Okay, how sensitive you became by watching these children. So after that, when you come back home, you have to think and you have to write few points. Okay, so this we will do it afterwards when the school reopens. Again, I'll discuss it very nicely, and after that I'll give you to write in the copy. Now the third question is good touch and bad touch. Today it is my duty that I should discuss with you what is a good touch and a bad touch. Okay, now just I'm reading it, you look it on the screen. Touch can convey many things. You like the touch of some people, but the touch of some people makes you uncomfortable. Share with your family member if you have come across a bad touch. What did they tell? Okay, children, I just want to tell that good touch. What is a good touch? Good touch will never make you uncomfortable. It will never irritate you. You will never feel bad or afraid. But a bad touch will if someone tries to touch you impropriately, or what you have to do, you should run away immediately and discuss this matter with your parents or discuss it with your family members. Understood? Suppose what happens many a times when someone touches you, you never feel bad. Okay, suppose your father is touching or your mother is touching, you never feel bad. Okay, but sometimes what happens when some person touches you, you feel very uncomfortable. So whenever you feel uncomfortable or whenever you feel irritated, the first thing you do, you run from that place and you always share your feelings. Never hide your feelings. You should always share your feelings with your